Creating your own body butters and balms, it's not as hard as you might think, and it is way more rewarding. Let's talk about the best ingredients for making them luxurious and effective. Let's start with butters. These are the heart of your body care. Shea butter is deeply moisturizing. Cocoa butter gives you that lovely rich texture. And mango butter is light but super nourishing. Next, oils. Almond oil softens and nourishes. Coconut oil gives that smooth glide. And argan oil is a little luxury packed with vitamins. Now for structure. Beeswax is key for creating a firm balm, while newly launched stearic acid and cetyl alcohol help stabilize and add that smooth, creamy feel to your butter. Vegetable glycerin draws moisture to your skin, and GeoGuard ECT is a natural preservative that keeps your DIY body care fresh and safe for longer. If you want to add a little fun, mica powders give your body butter a beautiful shimmer. It's all about making your DIY creations feel extra special. Once you've mixed these ingredients, apply your body butter all over. Perfect after a shower or workout for smooth, hydrated skin that feels luxurious. These ingredients work together to create butters and balms that nourish, protect, and hydrate your skin. And the best part? You made it yourself. Test it out and let me know how it goes. Want to learn more about DIY body care? Grab your free cheat sheet in the link below. It's a great resource to have on hand whenever you're DIYing your skincare.